In this program, as per the syllabus, we will see how can we create data frame from a dictionary of series. So as usual, I am using pandas library through the import statement, and here you can see a variable d which is used for creating the data frame df1 using the function data frame like this. This we have already seen in the last program where we created data frame from a list of dictionaries, and in this program we are trying to create a data frame from a dictionary of series. We know dictionary starts and ends with curly bracket. So here what you see is a dictionary, and in the dictionary the keys are 1, the next key is 2. The values of the key 1 is this one. What is it? It's a series, because we know how to create series objects. Series is the function which is used to create series objects, and here we are creating a series from a list of numbers 1, 2 and 3, and the indices are A, B and C. The second one, its key is 2 and its value is another series where the series has 4 values 1, 2, 3 and 4, and their indices are A, B, C and D respectively. So let's see how this data frame object df1 looks like. Let us execute this code. What you see here is the output of the data frame creation, and we know there we had indices A, B, C for the first series, and for the second series we had A, B, C and D, and they became the row indices in our data frame. The keys 1 and 2 became the columns in the data frame object. The values are 1, 2 and 3 for the first series where we had no value for the index D, so it has become none. For the second series we had 4 values and all the 4 values are saved. Hope you understood. Let's go back to the program once again. 1, 2 and 3 became the values in the first column where we had no value for D, so it is filled as none. And the next one has values 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. They took the position under the second column with the column heading 2. Hope this is clear.